Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to break down the Bitcoin weekly forecast covering the period from 3rd to 9th January. We'll start with a deep technical analysis on the 4-hour time frame, then zoom out to the daily chart to understand the bigger picture and where Bitcoin is likely heading next. If you're trading or investing in Bitcoin, make sure you watch this till the end. Let's jump straight into the technicals. Let's begin with the 4-hour chart. For some time now, Bitcoin has been in a clear downtrend. According to Dow theory, a downtrend is defined by lower highs, lower lows, and that is exactly what Bitcoin printed after the massive crash from the all-time high. Selling pressure was aggressive, and the dominant trend shifted clearly to the downside. However, something important has changed recently. Accumulation and structure shift on 4H. Right now, Bitcoin is trading inside an accumulation zone. Even though the broader trend was bearish, price has failed to print a new lower low on the 4-hour time frame. Instead of breaking down, Bitcoin respected the previous low around the 18,600 area. This is critical. Rather than making a new lower low, price printed a higher low, and internally we also saw a new higher high on the 4-hour structure. This is one of the earliest technical signs that selling pressure is weakening and a potential reversal is developing. At the same time, price is moving between two converging trend lines, forming a tightening range. Each time Bitcoin touched the lower trend line, buyers stepped in aggressively, pushing price higher. This behavior is typical of accumulation before a breakout. Potential breakout and buy idea, 4-hour. Now, based on this structure, the probability of a trend line break to the upside is increasing. If price breaks out of this structure, traders looking for long exposure can consider buying near the current price with strict risk management. The key rule here is protection. If you are buying, your stop loss must be placed below the previous low. Risks should remain controlled because this is still a developing reversal. Now, the most important upside confirmation level is 95,000. If Bitcoin closes above 95K, especially with strong momentum, we can expect a massive bullish expansion, with the next major resistance sitting near the 100,000 zone. That level represents psychological resistance, previous distribution area, and major liquidity zone. Bitcoin daily time frame, big picture. Now let's zoom out and look at the daily chart, because this is where directional conviction matters most. On the daily time frame, the price action structure is very similar. Bitcoin previously crashed hard from the top, confirming a bearish phase. But now, just like on the 4-hour chart, price is holding above major lows, compressing inside a structure, showing signs of stabilization rather than continuation. This tells us that while Bitcoin is not fully bullish yet, it is also no longer in aggressive sell mode. The market is deciding direction. Downside risk. What invalidates the bullish idea? Right now, Bitcoin shows potential upside momentum, but confirmation is still required. This is not a market to trade aggressively or emotionally. This is a market where risk management and patience matter most. Let's summarize the key levels and bias. Bitcoin previously crashed from ATH. 4H trend was bearish, but structure is improving. Accumulation zone is forming. Higher low and internal higher high printed. 95K break and close, bullish continuation toward 100K. Below 80K daily close, bearish continuation toward 75K to 70K. Bias, cautiously bullish with strict risk control. Trade safe and trade with confirmation. If you want to learn technical and fundamental analysis properly and understand how professional traders read market structure and manage risk, you can message me directly on Twitter for one-on-one mentorship and training. If you found this Bitcoin weekly forecast useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your Bitcoin outlook for this week. Thanks for watching. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next market update.